All healthy, all natural, high protein, oil free, dairy free, gluten free, refined, sugar free, super quick and easy, super creamy lemon protein mousse. Tastes like a lemon cheesecake, but it's mind blowing healthy. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a package of firm tofu into a powerful blender, along with the zest from one lemon. And the juice from that lemon too. Half a cup of maple syrup. And half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy high protein lemon mousse. Thanks for watching.